Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over a brand new Landwolf token that is about to start their pre-sale right about now. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale pinned to the top of the comment section. It'll also be at the top of the description box. Now, there's been some Landwolf tokens come out in the past that have been very popular. Maybe Ethereum, blockchain, Solana, AVAX, to name a few. I posted a video on a couple of the Landwolf meme coins that have come out on different chains. But now, this pre-sale is starting basically right now, brand new public pre-sale on the Binance Smart Chain for Landwolf BSC. And this token is trending in the top 10 right now on pinksale.finance, ticker symbol Wolf. So like I said, I'll leave links down below for this pre-sale so you guys can go check it out. But we're going to talk about this pre-sale and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new pre-sale, just starting basically as I'm uploading this video. So if you just go through the link down below, you'll see the pre-sale has just started. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here, at Landwolf_on_BSC. It says, Landwolf is a freedom-loving, laid-back character created by Matt Furie. There's also a very popular brand new Matt Furie meme coin called the Gas Pass Cat token that just got listed on MEXC Global today. So check out the MEXC Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. And you can also check out the full video I just posted on the new Matt Furie Gas Pass Cat meme coin. So check that out. Now this Twitter here, 7 posts so far. And it says market cap. This is in their most recent tweet from a couple hours ago. So, launch market cap will be $120,000. All marketing will start after the pre-sale ends to bring max exposure to the launch of the brand new Wolf token. And then they have the start time for the pre-sale, which is right now. So if you go through that link down below, you'll see that this token is trending in the top 10 right now, has a full audit. You should check out the full audit by CoinSalt on the PinkSale pre-sale page. They have the Twitter, Telegram, webpage listed on there. So it's a public pre-sale, and they have a max buy of 1.5 BNB. So basically, that's to decentivize whales from buying, too many tokens and creating a pump and dump later on after the pre-sale. So the max buy is only 1.5 BNB. So that's all you could spend on this pre-sale. There is no minimum buy, just a max buy. So it says here, iconic Landwolf on the Binance Smart Chain team has delivered a lot of X's and multi-million-dollar market caps on previous projects. And they actually have the previous projects listed on the PinkSale page. One of them is Micro Doge. I think I do remember that one. And then there is Zuzu, Z-U-Z-U. And that is the name and ticker symbol of both the tokens as well. So they say they have previous projects that did very well. No dip at launch. All marketing will start when the pre-sale ends. A lot of trending across global platforms and the best influencers to support. Launch market cap will be $120,000, like I mentioned earlier. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And soft cap for this pre-sale is 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap, so the pre-sale is not going to sell out in 2 seconds or anything like that. But the pre-sale only goes for 1 day and 4 hours. So make sure you check it out as soon as you can if you're interested, because it will go away. It will be over after 1 day, 4 hours, and then it will be going over to a pancake swap for purchase after that. Well, shortly after that. So maybe a day later, maybe right after. We'll have to wait and see. But basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would work. And you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with BNB. Now, you could fund your wallet with BNB from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with a Binance Smart Chain. You would go into one of the links, like there's one at the top of the description box or one pinned to the top of the comment section. So you go through either one of those links. It'll take you right to the Pink Sale pre-sale page where the pre-sale is happening. You just click Connect Wallet, punch in how much BNB you want to spend, click Purchase, and then when the pre-sale is over in a day and 4 hours, you'll claim your tokens, and then after that, it'll be listed on PancakeSwap. And if you missed the pre-sale and you're watching this video later, you want to get it off PancakeSwap, you basically follow the same steps, except instead of going through one of the links down below, you just go into the dApps in your wallet, find PancakeSwap, and then use the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, landwolfbsc.xyz. You would then trade your BSC for this token. So it says there is a 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are getting this token later on off of a decentralized exchange, either buying or selling or even transferring, you will not have to set slippage. It says 0% taxes. You'll just have to pay a small amount of gas fees. If you need to reach out to somebody on their webpage, they have a link, an email, admin@landwolfbsc.xyz. And they also have chart links beside the contract address as well. So DEX tools and DEX screener chart links are available on the webpage for when the token goes live. On PancakeSwap, you'll be able to see the chart and the liquidity pool information and the price and all that stuff on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. If you want to stay up to date on this project, you can follow the Twitter that's in the corner, but then you could also follow at Landwolf_BSC on Telegram, and they have 34 subscribers so far. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see new partnership announcements, token listing announcements, memes, all that fun stuff. And yeah, so they have a pretty straightforward token allocation. 67.36% of the tokens go to the pre-sale. 32.63% of the tokens go to liquidity for either DEXs or central exchanges or both. And besides that, go check this token out. Check out their full audit. Links will be down below. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Landwolf on BSC? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.